Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, this is Sayantani. Today I'm going to show you how I created this look for New Year's Eve. This tutorial is very easy and quick, especially for people like us whose hands are full. If you like this tutorial, please don't forget to hit the like button and also take a minute to subscribe to my channel before you're way out. Okay, so without any further ado, let's start. So first thing first, I cleaned my face to make a clear canvas for today's makeup. If you have crazy hair like me, then you definitely want to clip it because it's hard to manage if your face is covered with your hair. First step is to apply a primer. You can use any brand you want. Once it's done, I'm gonna apply some concealer under my eyes, on my nose, chin, between the eyebrows, on the forehead and under the eyebrows. After applying, I'm gonna blend them. I'm just using my fingers. I used Revlon PHOTOREADY color correction paint, by the way. Next step is to highlight under the eyebrow lines. I'm using 005 Nude from Rimmel London. To draw the outline of my eyebrows, I am using Lakme eyebrow pencil. This is an easy way to define your eyebrows without making it too dramatic. To fill up the gap between the outlines, I am using BOBBI BROWN powder and applying with an angular brush. After that, I'm highlighting both of my eyelids with a concealer from Wet n Wild and blending it with finger. Later, covered my dark circle area and middle of my eyebrows. My dark circle wasn't too dark today, that's why I didn't use any orange shade underneath to correct the color. Naturally, we all have oily skin and it's hard to apply eyeshadows on it. So I am applying AIRSPUN Loose face powder for a manageable surface. Now it's time for eyeshadow. I am using this dark purple color from Rimmel London to cover the eyelid. At this point, you don't have to think about perfection. I am just roughly following the shape shown in the picture. The camera didn't capture the actual color. It is actually darker than it looks. Then I am using this shiny coral color, again from the same palette, and covering the outer edge. After I'm done, I'm gonna take a concealer and apply on the midpoint. It should look like a triangle, just like the picture. I am blending it with a small flat-headed brush. It should be way lighter than the rest of the face, so I am applying once more and blending it in same way. Then taking the white shiny shade from the palette and applying just at the midpoint. To get the desired glow under the eyebrow and in the inner corner of the eye, I am using this shiny shade from L'OREAL True Match LUMI. I am just repeating the same process for my other eyelid. I chose liquid eyeliner for this look. I normally start from the middle of the eyelid and draw outwards. In this way, the probability of making mistake is less. Once I am satisfied with the corner, I will gradually cover the rest of the lid. I'm gonna go ahead and also draw the line in the inner corner. I am using a pink shimmer on my cheeks before applying the foundation. You can also use a pink lipstick if shimmer is not in your hand right now. Now take a wet sponge and apply the foundation all over the face. Be careful though, don't cover your eye makeup. Just because this look is for party, I'm gonna use a foundation with lighter shade. If you are thinking about daytime makeup, Then try to select your exact skin tone or maybe one shade lighter. For contour, I'm gonna apply the contour powder exactly how the picture shows. I have a round face and I definitely want to define the cheekbone. I will also apply on my forehead and both sides of my chin to get more prominent cheekbone. I am using COVERGIRL True Blend for this. For nose, I am using the same contour powder and blending it with a small puffy brush. As I mentioned before, I have a round face and I definitely want to highlight my cheekbone, so I am using concealer just below the dark shades. And because of this, my round face is looking oval. To get the desired glow, I am using this silver shade from L'Oreal True Match LUMI and applying above the contour, under my eyebrows, on my nose, chin, and on my upper lips. Basically exactly how the picture shows. For blush, I am using Maybelline Master Glaze. I just have to smile and apply on my cheeks. It's that simple. I don't want to do a dark eye makeup today, so I decided to use BOBBI BROWN powder to draw under the waterline. To blend it, I am using an angular brush first and then a small flat-headed brush. Once I'm done, I'm going to apply some mascara. You can use any mascara you want as long as it suits you. Now I will just let it dry, and meanwhile I'm going to work on my lips. First I will take a red lip liner and draw the outline of my lips. If by any chance your lip looks uneven, this is the time to fix it. For lipstick, I choose Velvet Matte Blackberry color from AVON. Then I am using a red lip gloss. It's Mirror Underneath 320 from L'Oreal. I will leave it like this for now, and meanwhile I will attach the lashes. It doesn't really matter which brand you are gonna use, but you definitely want to use a good quality glue for your own safety. I am using dual lash adhesive. My lipstick is shiny and it's great for night. However, for daytime I don't think this much shine is necessary, so I'm covering my lips with a tissue paper and applying some loose face powder with a fluffy brush. This way my lip doesn't just look matte, also the color will last longer. So this is it for today's video. I really hope this tutorial is useful for you. It took me around 15 minutes or so, and I think that's perfect. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done yet. And also don't forget to comment below. Hope this new year brings happiness and joy in your life. See you in my next video. Till then, stay well. Bye.